Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming basic prerequisites, a working internet connection and a recent iOS update so sync features work reliably. Once done, open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. If you already have an Apple ID, enter the email and password. If you don't, choose Create New Apple ID and follow on-screen prompts. You're doing this now to enable iCloud, App Store access, and device continuity, so complete verification and set a secure password before moving on. Once signed in, you'll configure iCloud to control what syncs. Tap your name, then iCloud, and toggle photos, contacts, and others to back up or sync across devices. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication in password and security. This prevents unauthorized access and is required for some features. If you plan to buy apps or subscriptions, add a payment method under Payment and Shipping, but you can skip it and use redeem codes. These steps ensure data safety and seamless app purchases. To finish, verify the recovery email and phone number so you can reset your account if needed, and confirm iCloud backup is enabled in iCloud. Right arrow iCloud backup. Tap Backup now to create a fresh copy. Open the App Store and ensure you're signed in so purchases and subscriptions sync. If something goes wrong, like apps not downloading, make sure you're online, then sign out of settings and sign back in, or reset network settings. That single troubleshooting step resolves most sync and sign-in errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.